Building a watch collection can cost tens of thousands of dollars, but these 10 affordable timepieces deliver so much versatility, quality, and style that they genuinely replace the need for multiple expensive watches. We are talking about watches that work equally well with business suits and weekend adventures, delivering finishing quality that makes people assume you spent thousands, while the actual price tags remain shockingly reasonable. From integrated bracelet beauties to vintage-inspired dress watches, from tool watches with serious capability to modern icons that turn heads everywhere, these 10 watches prove that smart buying beats expensive collecting. Some handle every situation from boardrooms to beaches. Others deliver such distinctive character that you will reach for them constantly. And number 1 has become the ultimate do-everything watch that looks expensive while costing less than a nice dinner. Let's count down the affordable watches that could replace your entire collection. Number 10. Tissot PRX Powermatic 80. Starting our countdown at number 10 is the Tissot PRX Powermatic 80, an integrated bracelet watch that delivers luxury sports watch aesthetics and Swiss automatic movement at prices that seem completely unreasonable. This watch proves that perfect design execution creates timepieces that punch dramatically above their price point consistently. The integrated bracelet design flows seamlessly from case, creating cohesive, sophisticated appearance rivaling luxury alternatives costing 10 times more. The thin profile at just over 10 mm allows comfortable all-day wearing and slipping under dress shirt cuffs effortlessly. The Powermatic 80 movement provides 80-hour power reserve, which is exceptional and surpasses many Swiss movements costing thousands. The dial options include stunning colors like ice blue and green with wavy patterns catching light magnificently. The finishing quality is outstanding with polished and brushed surfaces, creating visual depth throughout the design. The 40mm case size provides perfect wrist presence without overwhelming smaller wrists or appearing too large. The sapphire crystal protects the dial, maintaining perfect clarity through years of daily wearing and use. The water resistance reaches 100 meters for swimming and water activities without concerns or limitations. This watch has created unprecedented demand with waiting lists at retailers and secondary market premiums above retail. The versatility is unmatched, working perfectly with business suits, casual weekends, and everything between effortlessly. The Swiss movement reliability ensures years of accurate timekeeping with minimal maintenance required periodically. The PRX Powermatic 80 represents the ultimate versatile watch, replacing dress watches and sports watches simultaneously affordably. Number 9. Orient Bambino Automatic. At number 9, we have the Orient Bambino Automatic, a dress watch that delivers elegant design and in-house automatic movement at prices that make Swiss dress watches look completely absurd. This watch proves that Japanese manufacturing creates incredible value when companies focus on customer benefit over profit maximization. The domed crystal creates vintage character with beautiful light refraction that changes appearance dramatically with viewing angles. The automatic movement is entirely in-house, manufactured by Orient, providing reliability and worldwide serviceability easily. The dial features sunburst finishing or enamel-style surfaces, depending on variant, creating depth and visual interest. The applied indices and Dauphine hands create refined, sophisticated appearance appropriate for formal business settings. The 40mm case size provides comfortable proportions for dress watches, fitting under shirt cuffs without bulk. The leather strap is quality construction, aging beautifully with character developing naturally over time and wearing. The case finishing combines polished and brushed surfaces, creating visual interest appropriate for dress watch aesthetic. The water resistance reaches 30 meters, which is adequate for dress watches, prioritizing elegance over water protection. This watch has become incredibly popular with young professionals needing affordable dress watches for business environments. The power reserve is adequate at approximately 40 hours, allowing weekend storage without stopping completely. The variety includes multiple dial colors and hand styles, accommodating different aesthetic preferences and tastes. The Orient Bambino represents dress watch elegance and mechanical movement at prices replacing expensive Swiss alternatives completely. Number 8. Hamilton Khaki Field Mechanical. Coming in at number 8 is the Hamilton Khaki Field Mechanical, a hand-wound field watch that combines perfect proportions, Swiss movement, and military heritage, creating the ultimate versatile timepiece. This watch proves that hand-wound movements and proper sizing create engaging watches suitable for every situation imaginable. The hand-wound movement requires daily winding, creating ritual that connects owners to mechanical watchmaking traditions personally. The 80-hour power reserve is exceptional for hand-wound movements requiring winding only every few days typically. The 38mm case size is perfectly proportioned with vintage field watch dimensions fitting comfortably under clothing. The dial is supremely legible, with military-inspired Arabic numerals providing instant time reading in all conditions. The lume application is generous, providing excellent visibility in darkness for practical field watch functionality. The brushed case finishing hides scratches well during active use, making this worry-free for everyday wearing. The leather strap is comfortable and durable, with military styling aging beautifully, developing unique character naturally. The see-through case back reveals the hand wound movement, working with traditional finishing visible throughout. This watch has become beloved among enthusiasts, recognizing perfect execution and incredible value proposition clearly. The water resistance reaches 50 meters, providing adequate protection for daily wear in various weather conditions. The versatility is outstanding, working equally well with business casual, outdoor adventures, and formal occasions appropriately. The Swiss movement reliability ensures decades of accurate timekeeping with basic maintenance and occasional servicing. The Hamilton Khaki Field Mechanical represents the ultimate versatile field watch, replacing multiple watches simultaneously affordably. Number 7. Seiko 5 Sports SRPD 51 King Quartz. Sliding into number 7 is the Seiko 5 Sports SRPD 51, a watch that brings affordable automatic movement and classic dive watch styling at prices that make mechanical watches accessible universally. This watch proves that in-house movements and solid specifications create excellent everyday watches without requiring significant investment. The automatic 4R36 movement is entirely Seiko manufactured, providing reliability with hand-winding and hacking capabilities conveniently. The day-date complication provides practical daily functionality that many watches lack at this price point. The 42.5mm case size provides good presence with comfortable proportions for daily wearing activities. The 100-meter water resistance protects during swimming and water activities, making this suitable for various situations. The rotating bezel provides dive watch functionality, though this is more sports watch than serious diving equipment. The dial is highly legible with clear markers and hands filled with LumiBrite for night visibility. The Hardlex crystal is durable, though not sapphire, representing appropriate material choice for the accessible pricing. The bracelet or strap options accommodate different preferences, with both being comfortable for all-day wearing. This watch has become incredibly popular as entry point into mechanical watches for people discovering horology. The modification community embraces this model, with extensive aftermarket parts available for personalization and upgrades. The affordability is remarkable, with street prices often under $300, making automatic movements accessible. The Seiko 5 Sports represents affordable mechanical watchmaking, replacing expensive automatics with accessible, reliable alternatives completely. Number 6. Citizen Promaster Eco Drive Diver, BN015028E. Breaking into the top 6 is the Citizen Promaster Eco Drive Diver, BN015028E, a professional dive watch that eliminates battery replacements and delivers serious specifications at affordable pricing. This watch proves that solar charging and legitimate dive capability create practical tool watches, replacing expensive alternatives. The EcoDrive technology eliminates battery replacements, with solar charging working from any light source indefinitely. The 200-meter water resistance with ISO certification makes this legitimate professional dive watch, meeting international standards. The rotating bezel is unidirectional with clear markings and satisfying action for timing dives accurately. The lume application is excellent, providing bright, long-lasting visibility underwater and in complete darkness. The case size at 44 mm provides substantial presence, though wears comfortably despite the larger dimensions. The mineral crystal is durable and appropriate for tool watch pricing, though not sapphire level. The bracelet is solid and comfortable, with secure clasp and diving extension for wetsuit wearing. The power reserve indicator shows charging status, so you know when additional light exposure benefits performance. This watch has become popular with divers and water sports enthusiasts needing capability without luxury pricing. The Japanese manufacturing ensures quality control and reliability throughout the construction and assembly process. The value proposition is incredible when comparing dive specifications to Swiss alternatives costing significantly more money. The Citizen Promaster EcoDrive represents practical dive capability, replacing expensive dive watches with solar-powered affordable alternatives. Number 5. Christopher Ward The 12. Taking the 5th spot is the Christopher Ward The 12, a watch from British Microbrand that delivers Swiss movements and exceptional finishing at prices that challenge traditional Swiss brands directly. This watch proves that direct-to-consumer brands create incredible value when eliminating retail markup and focusing on product quality. The Swiss Solita automatic movement provides proven reliability and accuracy with worldwide serviceability through watchmakers. The case finishing is absolutely exceptional, with multiple surface treatments executed to standards rivaling luxury watches. The dial features applied indices and hands with finishing quality that impresses watch enthusiasts immediately. The integrated bracelet design flows seamlessly from case, though not traditional sports watch styling exactly. The water resistance reaches 150 meters, providing adequate protection for swimming and water activities confidently. The sapphire crystals on both front and back protect the watch while showcasing finishing quality visibly. The case size at 40 millimeters provides comfortable proportions, working well for various wrist sizes appropriately. The date window is positioned thoughtfully, maintaining dial balance and visual harmony throughout the design. This watch has impressed collectors who recognize the finishing quality exceeds expectations for the pricing significantly. The direct-to-consumer model allows Christopher Ward to offer Swiss quality at prices undercutting traditional retailers. The versatility works with business formal, smart casual, and everything between, making this genuine everyday watch. The Christopher Ward 12 represents British design and Swiss movement, replacing expensive watches with direct-to-consumer value. Number 4. Orient Kamasu Automatic Diver. Claiming the fourth position is the Orient Kamasu Automatic Diver, a watch that delivers 200-meter dive capability and in-house automatic movement at prices that make Swiss dive watches look completely overpriced. This watch proves that Japanese manufacturing creates professional tool watches at accessible prices when priorities favor customers. The 200-meter water resistance makes this legitimate dive watch suitable for recreational diving and water sports. The in-house automatic movement is entirely Orient manufactured, providing reliability and serviceability worldwide easily and affordably. The sapphire crystal is notable at this price point, providing scratch resistance usually reserved for expensive watches. The case size at 42 millimeters provides good presence while remaining comfortable for daily wearing beyond diving. The unidirectional rotating bezel has clear markings and satisfying action for timing dives accurately and reliably. The lume application is generous, providing excellent underwater visibility and night reading clearly throughout use. The bracelet is solid and comfortable with properly tapered links and secure clasp for confident wearing. The dial is highly legible with large markers and hands providing instant time reading in all conditions. This watch has become incredibly popular with divers and enthusiasts seeking dive capability without luxury pricing. The finishing quality is impressive, considering pricing with proper attention to surfaces and component integration. The color variety includes blue, red, and green dials, accommodating different aesthetic preferences and tastes. The Orient Kamasu represents dive watch capability, replacing expensive dive watches with affordable Japanese alternatives completely. Number 3. Timex Marlin Automatic. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the Timex Marlin Automatic, a vintage-inspired dress watch that brings American heritage and mechanical movement to incredibly accessible pricing beautifully. This watch proves that heritage brands can deliver mechanical watches at prices that seem impossible when executed thoughtfully. The vintage-inspired design captures 1960s dress watch aesthetics with modern reliability and manufacturing standards. The automatic movement is Japanese-sourced, providing reliable performance at pricing that American mechanical manufacturing cannot achieve. The 40mm case size provides comfortable proportions for vintage-inspired dress watch wearing under cuffs easily. The domed acrylic crystal adds vintage character while requiring more careful handling than sapphire alternatives. The dial features applied indices, creating refined appearance appropriate for dress watch positioning and styling. The leather strap is comfortable with vintage styling, complementing the retro aesthetic appropriately and tastefully. The case finishing is good with polished surfaces, appropriate for the accessible pricing point consistently. The water resistance reaches 30 meters, which is adequate for dress watches, prioritizing appearance over utility. This watch has attracted enthusiasts appreciating American heritage and vintage aesthetics at incredibly accessible pricing. The hand-winding capability on some variants provides traditional mechanical engagement beyond automatic winding alone. The affordability is remarkable, with street prices often under $200, making mechanical watches accessible universally. The Timex Marlin Automatic represents American heritage, replacing expensive dress watches with affordable vintage-inspired alternatives completely. Number 2. Seiko Prospex Alpinist SPB 121. Taking the silver medal at number 2 is the Seiko Prospex Alpinist SPB 121, a field watch that delivers distinctive character, compass bezel, and beautiful design, creating watches that collectors treasure deeply. This watch proves that field watches with character and proper execution create timepieces suitable for every situation imaginable. The internal rotating compass bezel provides navigation functionality with distinctive design elements, setting this apart from competitors. The 6R35 automatic movement provides 70-hour power reserve, which is exceptional and surpasses many Swiss alternatives. The 39.5mm case size is perfectly proportioned for field watches, fitting comfortably under clothing cuffs. The crown positioned at 4 o'clock improves wearing comfort, preventing wrist digging during hand bending. The dial features sunburst, finishing with applied indices, creating depth, and visual interest, changing with lighting. The cathedral hands are distinctive and elegant, providing excellent legibility throughout all viewing conditions clearly. The sapphire crystal protects the dial, maintaining clarity through years of outdoor use and adventures. The water resistance reaches 200 meters, exceeding typical field watch specifications significantly for versatility. This watch has developed cult following among enthusiasts, appreciating distinctive character beyond generic field watches. The finishing quality is excellent throughout, with proper attention to dial printing and case construction. The strap options include leather and bracelet, accommodating different preferences for various wearing situations. The Seiko Alpinist represents field watch character, replacing multiple watches with distinctive, versatile, affordable alternative completely. Number 1, Casio G-Shock GA2100 Casio. Finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the Casio G-Shock GA2100 Casio, a watch that has become the ultimate do-everything timepiece, delivering luxury sports watch aesthetics with legendary G-Shock toughness at laughable pricing. This watch proves that when design, execution, and versatility combine perfectly, affordable watches replace entire expensive collections successfully. The octagonal bezel design references luxury sports watch aesthetics, creating sophisticated appearance unusual for G-Shock models. The slim profile at just over 11 meters makes this the thinnest analog digital G-Shock fitting under shirt cuffs. The carbon core guard structure protects the module while keeping weight minimal for comfortable all-day wearing. The shock resistance uses proven G-Shock technology, surviving drops and impacts, destroying any other watch instantly. The 200-meter water resistance protects during swimming, diving, and water activities without any concerns whatsoever. The analog digital display combines traditional hands with digital information for comprehensive functionality and versatility. The battery life lasts approximately 3 years before requiring replacement, which is very convenient for daily use. The affordability is absolutely insane, with street prices around $100, making this accessible universally. This watch has created unprecedented demand, with popular variants selling out immediately and commanding secondary premiums. The modification community embraces this model, with aftermarket bezels and straps creating endless personalization possibilities. The versatility is genuinely unmatched, working perfectly with business suits, casual weekends, outdoor adventures, and formal occasions. The cultural phenomenon status means this watch gets recognized and appreciated by both watch enthusiasts and general public. The worry-free wearing allows using this everywhere without constant concern about damage, theft, or inappropriate situations.